or just asks you if you want to use it, rather than like,
do you wish to use this thing?
Yeah, rather than having to have it part of my like quick bar. Oh my. Oh. Oops. There we go. Come on. Go. No. Go in one. How do I...
Up, down?
Oh, shoot.
I don't know, but this thing doesn't seem to like you all that much.
Oh, no, I guess. There we go. Oh, these are all blocked. There we go. No. I know what they were planning.
Hooray, ammos.
I need the box breaker, which I don't think was even in the first game.
You're thinking again.
Which I don't believe was even in the first game.
Now we have moving gas sprayers. On small platforms, this should pose very well for him. No, 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 wrong way.
Oh. Darn it.
And now we're all the way back here.
Come on.
This game doesn't have the spawn points that Jack and Daxter has, though.
Oh, dang it, you hit me. Ow!
And then he smacked you, just for good measure. Not only did he hit you, but you also smacked her.
Oh, it does have a nicer long jump, so makes getting back and just plain skipping enemies a lot easier.
Help, help, everywhere. Miss. I couldn't even hear its shot sound effect.
I know, exactly!
No, I'm just like, is the game not working again?
Look at them all hiding in their things. Oh.
This'll be fun.
Nope. That way.
You got some more ammo. The definition of spawn killing, Ratchet and Clank style.
And then they laughed afterwards. Screw all you.
They're working on it. Nom nom nom.
Oh wow, that actually uses up more ammo than...
Well, it's a good thing that doesn't hurt you. That's one way to take him out. Got ammo.
such a little pea shooter. And I didn't even have this equipped. Dang it.
Maybe it's to quick select over to it. Well, it's a good thing there was one right there.
I love the little laughs.
Not what you wanted to do, I'm sure.
Let me up.
No, you can't use that. Well, you still have to play the game it's supposed to be played. Oh, fancy that.
Mine. Notice all the basketball things in Ratchet and Clank and Jack and Daxter. You got the one like you know, when you get a power cell where he goes, oh hey, it's this thing.
You don't have that
yet.
You don't have that. You require a different weapon. Gadget. Thing. Just barely.
Is that a fall? No. Okay. Don't pay attention to me.
Look, he just turns around. It's like, oh, there's nobody there. I clearly don't see the thing crouching.
Shoot.
Good job, though. You cannot shoot through laser wires. Nope.
No!
Denied. Yeah, that doesn't even have the range. Look at that curve.
Huh. I have new perspective on this gun. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Now can it destroy this? Yes it can. Like,
you gotta lock onto it and you can't. And now that newfound perspective is lost.
oh hello.
Choo choo choo.
Such a worthless.
Look at all the enemies. Nope. 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 I think you require more baddies. Dink. Dink, dink, dink.
Come on, man. This is a silent episode. Usually you comment on more.
Well, you're not failing as hard as you were in Jack and Daxter.
And you're playing a handheld game.
It's Advanced Wars. Boss fight!
And I get the added bonus of doing it before the poison kills me.
Phase 1 complete.
Oh, way to waste. Ow!
Fear the swarm. Fear the swarm.
Oh, the quick select does not stop time anymore.
Fear the swarm. Fear the swarm.
Oh, you piece of shit!
Fear the swarm.
Oh, why am I all the way back here? Stupid checkpoints, I hate you.
Oh yeah, Fuzzball. That was a nice death. That was a really nice death. Fear the swarm. Fear the swarm.
No. Oh, forget you guys. Ow! Ow!
And the
Son of fucking nuts.
woo! That was a very rare curve from DataDrainer. There we go. There we go. The failings. And now he's just left. And they're like, oh, we don't want to kill him now. They're like, oh no, we want a worthwhile target. So good. So good.
Dang it! Okay, let's equip the hunter instead of the cannon. See what that does. Just die real quick. What does that do? Okay, so
It brings them all to you.
worthless! Why would I guess for shooting enemies would be the only thing I can think of.
Hey, look at me, I'm over here. Hey, look at me, I'm over here. I'm over here.
Lame.
Fun times. Maybe you really shouldn't go right in between those.
I don't care.
Especially not with that guy right there. Wow, that missed and you still die.
I hate you so much.
And sneak attack from behind. Hey, I guess that means you assassinated. Gotta go back to playing Halo.
I hate them so much. Down my face.
And hooked it to the left.
Yeah, to kill the things. I hate you so much! I hate them.
See? There's no reason to be silent anymore. Kill it with fire! Kill it with fire! Not even that works. That's a waste of ammo. Yes, be like Zelda. Use the bombs. Hooray, 2 hit points. Because boss fight
mode on.
It means I gotta be very, very quiet.
That's not the weapon I had equipped.
What I can honestly say is there needs to be some actual boss music.
Come on.
Hitbox!
Where's my fire?
See, even he scatters away from the fire. Okay. That happened.
Damn it.
Pew pew pew!
Should just stay with the fire. Nope.
Hey, look, help. Quick, get help before it attacks.
And I need to get all these boxes. I'm dead.
Yep. That's what you get for trying to break boxes.
We have to break them!
You completionists and your needing to get everything.
Oh my gosh, you could have at least react to the fire! I'm just coming.
Yeah, they reacted alright. They said, feed me.
I hate those things.
I got some great bargains for you today.
He's using up more ammo and more life. We've seen him in the past, what? 15 minutes?
What? Hey! Crap.
I'm safe! Oh, wait. Here's an idea. Don't get hit. So many screens. So many screens. Back, you foul being.
See what I'm doing? When it works.
I just like the boss's face. It's just like, no, get away, get away!
Yeah, and as long as I keep these guys alive, I can kill him without
having to worry about the other, the second spawn. Well, no, the second spawn will still happen. He's just not going to try to attack you. Hey, look! Flame ammo.
Oh, no! That's what I wanted.
This is not the weapon I was looking for. Quick! Give him the golden gun!
Damn.
Maybe we should have thought about this.
Oh no!
The most hated enemies.
Oh no.
Well, at least you got that health.
God, I can't get to my blaster!
I'm sure there was a much easier way to do this, and he just chose the hard way.
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
Come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you
Brian
are
Boots.
an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost.
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right,
After all those times Data just died? All that death that Data just experienced?
Well, No thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
I know that voice.
You've got the grind boots. Grind boots let you travel on rails like this. Just jump onto the rail and grind.
It's so simple. Data can use it.
I want to take the escape ship.
So
If you don't have the bolts, you're just sort of stuck there.
because you can't go back.
Yeah. Well, I think you can go back, but
Left, right. Huzzah, back to the beginning.
I think that's not everything.
There's only that one thing that you didn't have the equipment for, plus the dreadnought. Oh shit, thingy!
Yeah, and if we had been able to go anywhere else, we would have got a little bot for it. Because that's how we get all our planets. Infobots. Surprise, surprise, we don't just magically know the coordinates of other planets. If there are things to do. Okay, I was gonna say, interesting. We get to this and we can't go anywhere.
The warship lied to us. You aim too high. You still aim too high. And he's stuck in the wall for about 2 seconds. That was sad. That was what, your accuracy?
Not too much.
What was that, your accuracy in Halo anyway?
Well, you can't aim in the, well, I guess you can technically if I do this. But it's wonky because the controls are reversed. The camera. I don't like it.
And you still can't hit anything.
The wrench is the best weapon in this game. It's not until the later games that stuff gets better.
That's only after about 5 upgrades. Okay.
Whoa, and just like waved up.
You killed him! I will now go off! That was the other way.
I know, I was just getting the boats.
Yeah, since you just had to pay 2,000 after saving the poor guy.
Yeah, it was dumb.
Oh, it's your good friend. Game's like, yeah, we're not gonna let you target him that easily.
Stupid camera. There we go.
Being very particular with it.
Oh no.
There's a third one.
Give me everything. It's not as climactic, this whole place, as I thought it would be.
It's a decommissioned ship.
No, but I thought there would be more going on, though.
Oh, let's see. Big red button.
Press the big red shiny button! It's not shiny.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
No.
Oh, that was a little bit early.
Please remove all personal belongings.
Oh, it didn't give me the life thing. And there's poison gas, which somehow didn't hit me anymore.
Actually, you did get the light. You got a different one. Because there were two of them.
What? I didn't get the infobot!
I'm pretty sure you did. But you know, you had to push a big shiny button first.
I like how it just spins around. See, I didn't get the infobot. Now I got it.
This is Darla Ratchet reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration
It looks
has
like swamp.
assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances. Darla Ratchet, Channel 2 News.
Uh-oh.
She gone.
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine. Thanks.
Going after another piece of my gum?
I haven't eaten all day.
I offered food!
You didn't.
Yes, I did! You didn't! I did! After the Jack and Daxter, I said, do you want to go get food?
I didn't hear that. I was too busy playing Smash Bros.
Exactly!
That's a real beauty.
Actually, the funny thing is I could probably be playing it right now anyway. Because tablet doesn't need TV screen.
Okay. Well, that's all for this area.
Except for that one boat.
Which you can't get yet. Which is annoying. Because it's down in space and Ratchet can't go into space yet.
Ratchet in space!
Well, anyway, that's going to be all for this episode. I would like to thank you all for watching. This is DataDrainer and
Scorpion4277.
see you and good night.
Yay!
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jack and Daxter Precursor Legacy, where it's been a while, so